E9, solve a system of equations using elimination, word problems. Okay, on these, the word problems are going to be a little bit different. Remember on E7 when we did word problems, there's always the word, this one is going to equal to this one, or this one's going to catch up to the other one, and things like that. On E9, it's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so Dakota is creating beaded jewelry to give to her family and friends. For her family, she has assembled 7 bracelets and 8 necklaces, using a total of 667 beads. For her friends, she assembled 7 bracelets and 7 necklaces, using the total of 602 beads. Assuming she uses a consistent number of beads for every bracelet and necklace, how many beads is she using for each? Okay, so we're talking about so if she assembled 7 bracelets and 8 necklaces, so 7B, B is for bracelet, and N for necklace. So 7B plus 8N. So B is how many beads she uses for the bracelet, and N is how many beads she used for the necklaces. And she used 667 beads to make that many bracelets and necklaces in one go. For her friends, she assembled 7 bracelets and 8 necklaces and used 602. So this is when it's a little bit different. They're not equaling each other, so that's why we're going to use elimination. Remember, elimination is whenever you can get rid of either the B's or the N's. In this case, we're going to get rid of the B's. The way that we're going to get rid of the B's is we're going to put a -1 there. The reason I'm putting a -1 is to make this a -7. If this is a -7 and I put it with this +7, then that means that they will cancel out. So I'm not doing anything to the top, I'm rewriting it. -7B minus 7N equals -602. The B's cancel out. What's 8 minus 7? 1. And 1N is the same thing as N. And 667 minus 602 would be 65. What does that mean? For every necklace that she makes, she needs 65 beads. So 65 is going to go right there. But we still need to find out how many beads she's going to use for the bracelets. Choose one of these. We'll just use the smaller numbers. Not much smaller, but there's some smaller. Okay. So 7B, because we don't know B, plus 7N, we do know N, equals 602. 7B plus, multiply 7 times 65, 455 equals 602 minus 455. 7B equals, now I'm having to do this in my head. I didn't bring a calculator, so you might want to check me on that. And then we divide by 7, which would be 21. What's 21? B's 21, which means they use 21 beads to make one bracelet. So 21 and 65. An employee at a company that assembles chandeliers is packing boxes for shipping. In the first box, he packed 5 chandeliers and 5 small chandeliers and 2 large chandeliers, which weighed a total of 220 pounds. In the second box, he packed 5 small chandeliers and 4 large chandeliers, which had a total weight of 320 pounds. Assuming the weight of the boxes and included in the shipping weight, how much does each size of chandelier weigh? So we'll use S for small. I'm going to make it a weird S so it doesn't look like a 5. And L 4 large. So 5 smalls plus 2 large equal 220. 5 small plus 4 large equals 320. Again, we want to eliminate. So I'm going to do this top one by -1. Why would I do the top by -1? To make the 5 a -5 to be able to go away from the bottom one. So -5s plus, nope, minus 10l equals negative, nope, I'm trying to do this way too fast, minus 2l equals negative 220. This one's just going to be rewritten, nothing changes. The s's cancel, 4 minus 2 is 2. 320 minus 220 is 100. Divide by 2, and you get 50. What's 50? The weight of a large chandelier is 50 pounds. Now put 50 into either this L or this L. We'll do the top one. 5s plus 2l, which is 50, equals 220. 5s plus 100 equals 220. Subtract the 100, which is 120. Divide by 5 equals 24. A small chandelier weighs 24 pounds. Yesterday, Chef used 32 eggs to make 8 chocolate souffles. So C for chocolate, L for lemon. 8 chocolate plus 8 lemon, used 32 eggs. 7 chocolate plus 8 lemon, used 30 eggs. We're going to get rid of the L's this time because both L's have 8ths. We're going to multiply the bottom one by -1, which just changes the signs. We're bringing this one just over. 8 minus 7 is 1, so 1C is 2. So for each chocolate pie, uses 2 eggs. Put 2 in for either equation at the beginning. Subtract the 16. Divide by 8. L equals 2 also. So 2 eggs for chocolate, 2 eggs for lemon. Miss Santiago's grandchildren are participating in gift wrap sale. She decided to stock up, so she ordered R for reversible, M for metallic. Okay. She ordered 1 roll of reversible plus 4 rolls of metallic from Connor, and she spent $47. Then she did 5 rolls of reversible plus 3 rolls of metallic and spent $82. Okay, this is when we have to do a little bit more work. The R's aren't the same number, the M's aren't the same number, so we have to change either one of the R's or the M's to be able to be what would cancel out. So we're going to use this one, and we're going to put a -5 through everything. So -5R minus 20M equals -235. 5r plus 30m equals 82. Those cancel out. That's why I did negative 5. Negative 20 plus 3 is negative 17. Ugh. Negative 153. I'm thinking, because I don't have my calculator with me. Okay, I don't have a calculator, so 17 times 6, 7, 8. There we go. 9. There we go. Okay. So negative divided by negative is a positive, so m is 9. So the metallic roll costs $9. Then we put 9 either into this m or this m. I'm going to use the bottom one. 5r plus 3 times 9 equals 82. 5r plus 27 equals 82. 5r equals 55. Divide by 5 and you get 11. Mandatory community service is looking over receipts. So we have C for children, A for adults. So 36 children, 25 adults is $158. 36 children plus 24 adults is $156. If we put a negative into each one of those, because I've multiplied everything by negative 1, those would cancel out, and I'm left with 1a equals 2, so $2 for an adult. Then choose one of these. 36c plus 25 times 2 equals 158. $36c equals 108 because we subtract 50. The child's ticket is $3. Last problem. Sorry for the noise, I'm right next to culinary. That's why I'm kind of hurrying, just so we can get finished with this. At the Arlington Ice Cream Parlor, one group of friends ordered small servings. So again, S for small, L for large. 2 small plus 3 large equals 18. 3 small plus 5 large equals 29. The S's, there's no easy way around it. The L's, there's no easy way around it. This is when you choose. Do you want to get rid of the S's or do you want to get rid of the L's? One is just as easy as the other. Usually you want to work with the smaller numbers. So let's say that we get rid of the S's. So I'd multiply this by 3 and this by 2, and I'd make one of them negative for them to be able to cancel out. The 3 goes to everything. 6S plus 9L equals 54. Negative 6S minus 10L equals negative 58. That's why the S's cancel. Negative 1L equals negative 4. divide by -1, divide by -1. A large is $4. Then we're going to put 4 into either L. I'm going to use the top. 2s plus 3 times 4 equals 18. 2s plus 12 equals 18. Subtract the 12. 2s equals 6. S equals 3. $3 for the small.